This tutorial will explain how to digitize a document such as a graphic organizer or worksheet and make it interactive online using Google Slides. First, create an image of your document. This can be done by taking a photo, scanning, or downloading from the internet, and then saving it as an image. You'll want to use a tool to crop the image and remove any visible background. On a Chromebook, Control-Shift-Show Windows key creates crosshairs to crop the image. And it will save in your Downloads folder. There's that. Next, you're going to open your slideshow. The first off is you have to change the orientation of the slide. So you're going to File, Page Setup, choose Custom, and it's going to be 8.5 by 11, the size of a piece of paper, and Apply. And you notice the orientation of the slide changes. Next, you have to set your document image as the slide background. So you go to Background, choose Image. You're going to upload it, so you go Browse. Should bring up your Downloads folder. Choose the image and open. And done. This has set your image as the background in the slide. Once the document is set as the background, it cannot be manipulated or altered. So now you want to make it interactive. What you do is you insert text boxes in any place where the person is going to type. And there you have it. And you can add multiple documents within the slide as individual slides, but they must all have the same page orientation within that same slideshow. And that's how to make an interactive graphic organizer worksheet you've had in the past so that your students can use it.